hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll be teaching you how to make an underwater game that involves a diver catching starfish, and if he touches sharks 3 times, he loses. So let's get started. First, we'll want to get rid of this cat here. Great. Now we'll choose a sprite. Let's pick this diver. Now let's go and search shark. I like this one, I'll pick this. Okay, now let's go search a starfish. Great. Now let's choose a background. Actually, let's draw a background today. So today, I'll draw a background like this. This shouldn't take much of time. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now we'll turn this a bit darker. Okay, there we go. I'd like to add a little something before we go. Okay, there we go. We'll delete this and go here. Let's check if we have everything. It seems like we have everything for now. So let's get started. First, we'll rotate this shark around. We'll click this button so this doesn't happen. This looks too ridiculous. Let's turn it into this so it just looks the other way. Okay, there we go. Now we'll drag this diver here. Perfect. This diver is a little bit too big. Let's adjust this size by a little bit. There we go, that's better. Now we'll go to the starfish, change its size to 50, and we'll do the same thing as we did with the shark. Look, it becomes too ridiculous to become a thing. So let's click this button in the middle, and there we go, just as we expected. Now let's start with the diver's code. First we'll go in variables and make 2 different variables called score and another one called lives. Okay, there we go. Now we'll drag when flag clicked, and then we'll drag set x to 250 or something like that. It should be here. There it is. Set x to 196. Let's drag it here. And okay. Now let's see what happens. Okay. Now we will go to the control section and drag this forever block, and we'll go in sensing, drag touching mouse pointer, and change this into, we'll keep it as mouse pointer. Now we will go and drag this block. Let me just find it. It should be around here somewhere. Where was it? Okay, so I'll keep this here, and we'll go back here. Let's check. Okay, now we'll go and drag. Let's drag. Let's get back to this later. I can't remember what it was. Okay, now let's go to the shark's code first. We'll go here in events and drag one flag clicked. Now we will go and drag the show button here. And now we will drag forever. Now we will start to do the code. Okay, so after the forever block, we will change it to show again. Okay, there we go. Now the next block, we will add a go to random. Let's just find the go to random. There. Now the next block is set x to 250. Let's go and in the motion section, set x to 225. Let's make this 250. There we go. Now we will go in control and drag repeat 10 and switch this to 32. Okay, there we go. Now we'll click change x by minus 15. Okay, now we drag it in here. And now we will drag the hide. Where was the hide? Okay, there we go. And now we will go and do set x to 205. And then we'll go in control and drag the wait 1 seconds block and make this 0.5 seconds. No, I'm sorry, 5 seconds. Okay, now let's see what happens. Okay, nice. It's working as we programmed it. Now for this. Now we will add another part. We'll go in when flag clicked, and then we will drag the forever block there. Now after the forever block, we will go in looks and drag next costume, and then we'll go in control and wait 0.25 seconds. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's wait for a few more seconds. Okay, nice. Okay, but now if we want the shark to touch the diver, then the diver loses a point. So let's start that code. Now we will go here in the when flag clicked and drag touching mouse pointer. We'll drag diver 2. If diver 2, the if statement was here. If touching diver 2, then forever. Then we'll go in variables, change lives by 1. We'll turn this into -1. And we don't want the score to keep going infinitely. Let me show you what would happen if that happened. Okay, let's drag it in here. See, it just becomes -7 in one touch. So if we want to fix that, we will go and click Control, wait 1 second. Because by the time the shark gets back here, it's before a second, so we won't have to worry about that. But wait, guys, you might be asking, why is the score still -7? Well, we'll solve that problem. We'll go back in variables, drag set lives to 0, and we'll put it here. Okay, let's begin. Now, where does the shark go? Okay. Sweet, there it goes. Now, if we click flag again, the score resets. Okay, now we're done for the shark's code. Now, let's go and do the starfish's code. The starfish's code should be really easy. So, we'll first go here, drag this block, and instead of adding the whole shark code, we'll delete this part. And instead of this show button, which will throw in the trash, we will do next costume. Great, let's check it out. Cool, now it's changing positions again. But wait, we're not earning anything. So what's the point of this game? Well, now you'll earn something. Just wait, guys. We'll drag when flag clicked, touching mouse pointer, and we'll change this to diver 2. And we'll go in control and drag if then. If touching diver 2, then change lives, and we'll change his lives to score by 1. And you saw what happened to the shark, the whole adding -7 thing. So we will go to the control and drag wait 1 second. But the code won't work like that, so we'll drag a forever block. Great, now let's try it. Okay. Please come this way. Yes. Okay. Now it's time for the diver's code. Let's get back to him. Now let's go and drag this block. Let's find the block. Okay. Okay, so now we'll go here and drag. Let's try this one. Wait, it wasn't this block. Sorry guys, I just forgot my stuff. Wait, let me... No, it wasn't this one. So we'll go and find the block. Guys, can you guess which block is the one that I want? Wait, let's go try this. Wait, we'll drag this and we will drag this. We will find the block just in a second, guys. What was the block? Wait, maybe I did an error. Let me check. Nope, nothing here. So, guys, let me get to the letters and I'll get back to the diver in just a sec. So, I'll add letters for when the shark touches the diver and says game over. So, we'll make a lose. Okay, we'll make this. You guys can choose any font you want, but I personally will pick this font for the sake of this video. Okay, we will drag these in the corresponding order. Okay, we don't want these blocks at the start of the game. That won't make any sense. Have you seen a game where the lose comes at the start? Well, no, you haven't. If you did, that would be really weird. Won't you guys agree with me? Oh, well, let's get to the code. We'll drag this forever block when flag clicked. And we will go down and bring the hide. And now the forever block will go in variables and we will drag lives. And we will go in the control section and we will drag in if then. We will go in sensing and actually we'll go in operators and bring the equal. If lives equals 0, then show. The show button was here. Okay, and there. Wait, guys, you think there's a lot of errors, huh? I agree with you. Let's start with the starfish. There is an error in the starfish code. Can you see what? If you said that the code doesn't change and its score is always like that, you are correct. So we will go in variables and drag set score to 0. Now it's solved. And the diver has like 0 lives. So we'll say set lives to 3. Wait. When flag clicked, set lives to 3. And this part, the block L, we will drag to the O, and we will drag this here, and we will drag this here. Now we will go in the diver's code and finally figure out if we can make it move. Move set Y to touching mouse pointer. Okay, let's see. Okay, so something is wrong here. Can you guys help me out? If not, it's okay. I'll figure out something. Wait, point towards mouse. Wait. Wait a second. Okay, so we cannot find the code. Set lives to free. Now let's find the shark. Wait. Now we will find the code once and for all. The code was somewhere around here. Where was the lives? Wait, let's check the shark's code for a second. Okay, so now the score. Now we set the problem. We fixed it. But wait. The final touch. We have to fix this problem. Oh, I forgot where it was. It should be here, I think. Wait. Set X to mouse pointer. We will go to X touching mouse pointer. Actually, guys, if you forget this, there is always a way to fix. We will just fix the problem by going to these two problems. Since I can't find it, we won't waste the whole video trying to find it. We will just solve the problem by doing this. Change y by 10. Change y by minus 10. Great, let's try it out. Wait a second. Finally, we can solve the problem. Okay. Okay. Now let's intentionally kill ourselves and see what happens. 3, 2, 1. Lose. But wait, if we lose, the game has to end, right? Then why isn't it ending? Well, now we will go in this code and fix it. And we will go in if touching mouse pointer, no, this, if score, lives, equals 0, then stop all. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, Now let's intentionally kill ourselves to finish this off. One more. Okay. We have to drag this forever block, guys. Now let's try this again really quick. Ugh, I hate making mistakes sometimes. Everyone makes mistakes though. Anyways, let's just check this. Where's the shark? Where's the shark? Lose. Okay, finally we finished our game. Sorry this episode took a bit long again because I kept messing up sort of, but at least it turned out well. Thanks for watching today's lesson and I'll see you in our next lesson. Have fun.